Okay, in this video, we're doing clock. It's a foot, ankle, knee, hip, three-dimensional reboot of your entire system on the side that you're working, which is not the reaching leg. So if I'm standing on my right leg and I'm reaching with my left, I'm training my right, not my left. Okay, so if you're the center of a clock face and you have times all around you, I'm going to work my right leg here. Keeping my weight on the right, keeping my mass on top of my right foot, and still reaching out toward 12 o'clock would give me foot, ankle, knee, hip, pronation all the way through, like we do in suspension phase, and then I come back out. I'm going to work about 7 touches to each clock point. First reaching toward 12 o'clock. You'll notice how my knee is traveling with my foot. The foot pressure is going to the inside as it takes my knee with it, and you can see my femur moving on an angle toward the inside. It's adducting. Okay, this impacts every muscle in my right leg. Next, I would move on my clock face toward 10 o'clock, and I would get my repetitions to 10 o'clock. Never shifting my weight or taking my pelvis over my stepping leg, always keeping my pelvis over my working leg. Next point, 9 o'clock. And then we can reach back toward 7 or so. Again, same mechanics in place, but because some of my mass is traveling behind me, it's getting the muscles behind me, my glutes and hamstrings a little bit more. Reaching back towards 6 o'clock. Still keeping my mass on top of my right leg. I'm not shifting it backward. Okay, and then finishing with a more spiraling rotation. You can see my entire right leg spiraling in, spiraling out. In, out. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 points, about 7 touches to each point to start, gives you 56 times bending and straightening the knee. Then you would go to the other side, start over to 12, and then you would work this way around the clock. Make sure that you're bending and straightening the knee with each touch and keeping your mass on top of the working leg, never shifting it away. And that's clock.